So this Faceless YouTube channel has gained 28,000 subscribers and 2 million views with just 26 uploads from these simple videos in this brand new YouTube niche that I'm about to reveal. If you check, the duration of each video is around 2 to 3 minutes, so creating a video like this is super easy, which I'm going to show you in just a few minutes. And the best part? According to NextLev, you can see that this channel is monetized, and the oldest video is only 1 month old, which is insane. If you're wondering exactly what they're doing, this YouTube channel is about a funny caveman who tries to explain modern things like houses, money, girlfriends, and even big science ideas. He talks like a caveman and uses silly, simple words to make everything easy and fun to understand. This niche is called educational comedy. It makes people laugh while also learning something new. The style is special because it mixes cartoons, humor, and smart topics with a caveman twist. And this is an example of what we're going to create today.
Me, caveman. Me explain scary ritual. Me explain marriage. Long ago, when man find woman and no other man try steal, man say, me keep this one. Woman say, okay, but me keep half your mammoth if you leave. Then tribe make rule. Rule say if man and woman hold hand in front of fire and say yes, then no one else can touch. Unless you lawyer.
Okay, you don't want to miss this video because what you will learn in this video can be used in any niche, starting from this powerful prompt. This prompt is like a powerful YouTube assistant that helps you understand exactly what works best on your competition's channel. By analyzing their video titles, views, lengths, and even scripts, it finds patterns and reveals which content performs the best with their audience. It then gives you clear, smart suggestions, like which topics you should cover next, how to write better titles, what tone to use in your videos, how often to post, and even provides a viral script written in the style of your competition. So if you want to grow your channel faster by learning from what already works in your niche, this prompt gives you the exact strategy and creative ideas you need, all based on real data from top-performing competitors. As I said, you can use this in any niche, and now let me show you exactly how this prompt works and how we get the script and everything else. Okay, the first thing you need to do is open ChatGPT and then copy this powerful prompt that I mentioned and paste it into ChatGPT. You'll find this prompt in the description inside the Google Doc under the video. And now, just press enter and wait a bit. Now the bot is ready and just waiting for us to give it information about the channel it needs to analyze. So we'll go to the channel primitive education, copy this information, and paste it here. This way it will get the video titles, how many views they have, and when they were posted, and based on that it will know what kind of titles to give us. But that's not all. We need to give it more information. So we'll click on more and copy this part as well. From here, it will extract even more info. So we're going to go back to ChatGPT, press Shift plus Enter, and paste that information too. Okay, but we're not done yet. Now we need to give it some samples of the scripts so it can write a script for us. So you're going to open the videos one by one and follow this process. In the description, click More. Scroll down a little and click where it says Show Transcript. On the right side, you will see the whole script. You will click on these 3 dots here and then click Toggle Timestamps. That will remove this numbers from the script. Now copy the entire script and paste it into ChatGPT. Now repeat this for each video, and next to each script, write script 1 for the first script, script 2 for the second script, and so on. Once you're done, press enter and see the amazing results you get from this powerful prompt. As you can see, it does a complete analysis. It gives us the niche, the style, how many views it has, how many subscribers, literally everything. Now when we scroll down, look at this one. It gives us top performing topics, title structure, video length, and even throws out 50 viral topic ideas with results and notes. So the prompt literally pulled everything out of this channel. Now we're going to tell it to generate a script for us. Just type generate script for, and we're going to choose a topic to write a script for us. For example, let it be this one, Caveman Explain Marriage. Just copy and paste it here and press enter. And look at this. it writes the script in the style of our competitor. This one is really amazing. Check out this part of the script. Before marriage, life simple. You hunt, you nap, you fart loud. After marriage, fart become crime. Really well done. Now we need to make prompts for this whole script to generate images so we can show the story visually. So I already have a prompt ready, and I'll just copy and paste it here in the bot. You'll find this prompt in the Google Doc. This prompt is designed to create text-to-image prompts for the entire script, and it even includes an example of what the prompt should look like. For example, a simple children's drawing of a caveman with a beard on a white background. So everything is explained in the prompt, and all that's left is to press enter. And as we can see, it gives us prompts, and we can use these prompts. But if we wanted to make prompts for each word of the script so that we have more images and can present the story more visually, we can just tell it, I want a prompt for each word of the script, and it will give us prompts for literally every word, as you can see for yourself. So this prompt is really amazing, and as I said, you can use it for any channel in any niche and apply this exact strategy. And now let's go create the images. To create the images, we will use Canva. For this style of images, Canva gave me the best results. I have tried other image generation tools, but Canva gave me the best results. First, I will show you the results from other tools, and then we will come back to Canva to show you how to create the images for our video. So these are the images created in Piclumen, and as you can see, I got a really bad result. Also, Piclumen only gives you 10 credits per day. It is not free anymore, and the results were really bad. Next was Leonardo AI, and here also the results were disappointing. Here are a few images from this tool. Finally, I tried Dreamina because it is free, but here too the results were not good, and the character was not consistent. In the end, I concluded that these tools, for this style of images, give a bad result. And now, let me show you how to create these images in Canva. When you open Canva, this is what your dashboard will look like. You will click here where it says Canva AI, and then click on this field where it says Create an Image. Here in this field, we need to insert our prompt from ChatGPT. So we'll go back to ChatGPT. We're going to copy the prompt that the bot gave us, and we're going to paste it here in Canva. Here at the end of the prompt, we're just going to add black and white style, and you're going to do that for every prompt that you paste here. Then click on this big arrow right here, and in just a few seconds, look at these results. So the difference from previous tools and this one is huge. Canva really produced these images well. Here, we'll look at this image too. And I think the images are great. Now this part is really important. You need to choose one of the images to have the main character, because all the following images will be created with the same character to keep it consistent. So here I will download this image, and this will be my character. Now let's take the next prompt from the script and paste it here again. You're going to click on this plus icon, then click Add Media, and then Upload Files, and you're going to upload the image that we downloaded. After it's uploaded, you're going to click on it, then go here and click Use Image. The parameters remain the same, we're not going to change anything, and we're going to click to generate our next images. We're going to wait a bit. And as you can see, the character is exactly the same, but in a different scenario, which in this case makes Canva the best for now in this style of images. Okay, let's take a look at some of them. And as you can see, really great work. Now I have to mention that I use Canva Pro, and if you use Canva Pro, you have 500 credits per month, and each generation costs you only 1 credit. While if you use Canva Free, you only have 20 credits per month. But if you really want to start a channel like this, I think it's worth investing in this tool, because this tool will not only generate images, but you can also make thumbnails and many other things. You can try this tool and you get 30 days free to use Canva Pro, okay? Now you just need to continue generating images and repeat the same process we did. After you download the images, according to the script, we will move on to generating the voiceover, and we will do that in 11 Labs. 11 Labs is a paid tool, but you can use it for free and you get 10,000 free credits every month. The first thing you need to do is find a voice character that sounds similar to our competition for this type of video. The voice I found is called Faceless, and he has a deep voice that fits perfectly for this kind of content. Make sure your model is set to V2 because it gives you better control and better results. I didn't change anything else, I just adjusted the speed. Now we're going to copy our text, but don't copy the whole thing because 11 Labs might generate a weird voice when you input long text. So we're just going to take a part of the script and paste it here, then click on this big button where it says Generate Speech. In a few seconds, you'll get your voice. Now let's listen to a part of it to see how it sounds.
Me, caveman. Me explain scary ritual. Me explain marriage. Long ago, when man find woman and no other man try steal, man say, me keep this one. Woman say, okay, but me keep half your mammoth if you leave. Then tribe make rule. Rule say if man and woman hold hand in front of fire, and say yes, then no one else can touch.
I think the voice is great. It fits perfectly with this type of video. Now we'll click on this arrow to download the voice. Then just repeat the process to generate the rest of the script and you'll have a complete voiceover. Once that's done, it's time to edit the video. You can use any video editor you like, but CapCut works great. So that's the one I'll be using. So import all your files, including the images and the voiceover. Then drag and drop the voiceover inside the timeline. Then put the first picture on the timeline according to the narration. Go to Ratio and select 16:9 for YouTube video. I gave each picture a number, like 1, 2, 3, and so on, and I know exactly which picture comes in order. This style of video is very simple, so you don't need to do too much. Just put the pictures on the timeline to match the voice. You can make each picture stay longer or shorter depending on what is being said, and like that, the whole video will be done. I'm now going to speed up the video and you can see that I'm just arranging the images one by one on the timeline and shortening or lengthening the duration of the images. Now, for this type of video, you don't need sound effects and background music, which makes creating these videos very easy. So, once you are done arranging your images, your timeline will look like this. I made this video about 1 minute long because this is just a tutorial to show you how to create these types of videos. Okay, once you are done, click on the export button in the top right corner, give your video a name, and click export again, and your video will be downloaded and you are ready to upload it to YouTube. And now let's take a look at the video we created.
Me, caveman. Me explain scary ritual. Me explain marriage. Long ago, when man find woman and no other man try steal, man say, me keep this one. Woman say, okay, but me keep half your mammoth if you leave. Then tribe make rule. Rule say if man and woman hold hand in front of fire, and say yes, then no one else can touch, unless you lawyer. Marriage not just love. Marriage is contract. Contract mean, if love die, paper still live. Before marriage, life simple. You hunt, you nap, you fart loud. After marriage, fart become crime.
And that's it. Now you have everything you need to create viral, faceless YouTube videos just like this one using AI tools, smart prompts, and a powerful strategy. If you follow each step, there's no reason why you can't build a successful channel too, starting today. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.